something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, 'cause you know I cannot see no deal.
I would like to take this time to make a special announcement. That seat is empty. And may I say that it's empty because James was not ready to go. Who was ready to go first? That's right. What?
Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us.
What do I do every time you call my name? What do I whipping me into madness? I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I we can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence.
Good morning, chicklets. How are you guys doing? So today we are at the Exploration Children's Museum here in Lakeland, Florida. And look at this place. This place is so cool. They've got all sorts of hands-on learning things as well as just lots of fun activities for the kids to do. But not only that, today we have met up with our good friends, the Gravel Travels, who we met back in Quartzsite, Arizona during the Quartzsite RV show. We love these guys and their kids, and our kids get along so much. So today is going to be all about exploring this museum, hanging out in Lakelands, and just having a good time with some friends. So for those of you guys that don't know, I actually used to work at TV stations for like 4 or 5 years, and I did a variety of things from commercial production to actually working on news, or sometimes I would go out and run the camera for news stories and whatnot. So this definitely brings me back to those days when I would be actually in the studio working with newscasters and whatnot. So I do miss it. I do love that kind of professional atmosphere and that kind of thing, but I definitely take YouTube over working in a news station.
Goosey, what are you doing? Building something like an astronaut would have to? What do you have on?
Astronaut gloves.
That's the coolest. No, I'm okay. That's cool. What are you doing, Logan?
Trying to build with claw things.
Oh, teamwork. Teamwork.
These are hard.
You getting some groceries? You're gonna have a big fruit salad. It looks yummy. All right, keep going. Excuse me, ma'am. I have a complaint. Where's the customer service department? Excuse me. Excuse me. You work here, right? It looks like you work here. Who do I complain to?
No one.
No. What?
Get up on out of my grill, yo.
So the Children's Museum here has actually 3 levels. They have main, a basement, and an upper. We're down in the basement right now, and this is pretty legit. They've got this Florida natural orange juice thing, which apparently you can roll oranges down into, and then like a giant indoor playground, which Mav has taken full advantage of. Are you going down the slide? Are you going down the slide, love? Go!
That is not cool!
Oh!
Coming!
Oh!
Can we uninvite them?
So Ashley's been trying for like the past 5 minutes here. She comes over and she gets it on her first try. Oh, almost a second. All right, come on, babe, you got it.
Oh, for crying in a
All right, let me try. If I get it on my first try, I'm gonna laugh. Okay, me and Ash are gonna have a race to see who can get the ball in first. And we're going for this can right here.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
All right.
Ready?
Set. No, wait, no, you don't get to go in the easy big can. We take
This
turns.
isn't the easy.
Go.
Wait, hold up, no.
I win.
That's not how it works. So you did how many? 4?
I got on the second one.
What is this? You gotta try to get in the cans.
Gotta get it in this one, I win. Winner!
How is that not winning? How are we not get these?
Hey!
Oh, Mama got 200
Yes,
points.
we're at a museum and you're playing a video game.
I am.
You see anything wrong with that?
No.
No, nothing wrong with that at all.
Nope.
Holy crap, that scared me. What the frick just happened?
It fell over.
Jeez. Oh, Goose, what's that? What state are we from? Where do Grammy and Pops live? What state? Which one is that?
Washington.
Washington. No, Papa Al is in Washington. What's that?
Oregon.
Oregon. That's where they live. I'll give you a hint. It's over here somewhere. Where is Florida? Good job. There we go. We are
On the cruise ship.
That is where we left for the cruise, is right there. So we're still working on our geography, but keep in mind, she is only in kindergarten, you guys. So I often forget that myself, where I expect her to be able to do more than she should be able to do, because I feel like she should be in 1st or 2nd grade, but really, she's only in kindergarten.
Do you like RVing? Do you like meeting new people? Well, do you like spending large sums of money on campgrounds? No? I didn't think so. Well then, check out Boondockers Welcome. It's a great alternative to finding campgrounds, and a year's subscription is cheaper than an average one-night stay. Once you've joined, you can submit a request to stay at hundreds of locations across the world. You heard me. The world, including Europe, Australia, and even New Zealand. Then just wait for a response from your host. Congratulations! You are on your way to an affordable adventure in the wilderness.
So you guys have heard us talk about Boondockers Welcome before, but I'm going to say it again. It is one of the best investments you can make if you are traveling. Even if you only travel 1 or 2 trips a year, it is still a great investment, because literally it's less than the cost of your average stay at one night at a RV park. And even if it's not a cost thing, it is a great way to meet other like-minded travelers, to hear stories, and just get tips and tricks from fellow RVers, because most of the hosts travel as well. So it's just a great way to meet people. So that'll be linked up down below in the description. But enough about that. Back to the vlog.
Maybe I should keep rolling in silence.
Oh, get it in, get it in. Oh, stabilize. No! So close.
How did they do it back in the day?
Hey, it was up, kind of. So it's a little harder than it looks. Push it harder. There you go, good job.
Okay, which one are we going?
Push the button, Mav. Number 3.
I don't know how much higher you can keep going.
Right there. Push.
Got
Good
it.
job.
But this is such a great place to take the kids if it's a hot day outside, if you just need a reprieve from children saying, "I'm bored," because let's be honest, we've all been there. They all do it. This place, so cool. Like right now, I'm in the grocery section. How cool is that? It's a little Publix. They can make believe that they are anything, and it is so cool. And I'm not gonna lie, I might have been playing with a few of the toys here and there because I wanted to.
Girls are telling secrets. Is mommy silly? Say silly, mom. So we just finished up at the Children's Museum, and I gotta say, we've been to quite a few kids' museums, both in Louisiana. We've been to far more than that, kiddo. We went to one in Louisiana. We went to one, obviously back in Oregon in the Northwest. What was the most recent kids' museum we went to? I can't remember.
The one in
Florida. It wasn't the one in Florida. It was up in Pensacola.
Yeah, Goosey.
And this one was, I think, one of the best ones we've been to because it was huge. It had 3 full stories, but then there was just so much different interactive stuff. So if you guys are in the Lakelands area and you guys have young kids, I would definitely suggest spending an afternoon here. It is a good way to get out, get some energy for the kids, and then you just don't really have to worry about them because they're allowed to touch everything. They're allowed to run around, and you can, they're allowed to scream, and you can just relax because sometimes you just need to let them get their energy out. So we've only been at this park for like 30 seconds, but I gotta say, this is a pretty legit park already. Like, there's this giant splash pad right over here. Check out, they have like this toddler area with all sorts of cool things. And then over back there, I'll show you guys, they have this the big kid play section with this big tower you can climb on. This is like a legit park. Plus you have this nice, beautiful lake right behind you. I approve. You guys, this is trippy. It's like you're walking on AstroTurf. It's not like just foam. It's full-on AstroTurf for nice soft cushions. Go! They got musical instruments, Mav. What do you think? Here, just lift it up with your hand. Good job, and then play the drums. Nice job. Blow the horn. Go, hello! My turn? Okay. Hello! How was that?
Yeah.
Was that good?
More.
More? Okay. Hello! Okay, your turn, go. You gotta drag it across the plastic. Seriously guys, this might be one of the coolest parks I've been to for kids. Wanna come spin? Whoa! Okay, come up on here. Ready? Put your leg around, grab on, you got it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, woohoo! Wow! Okay, are you ready? Set. Hold on. Whoa! More? Whoa! Whoa!
Help.
You okay?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow! What's going on? What's happening, man? Whoa! You want help? Okay. Oh no! You're fine! Wow! Hey, what's going on?
Help.
More? Okay. Anybody else getting sick just watching this? Oh, okay, all done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, run to mom. Go run. Go get her. Oh. Did they get you?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it.
No.
How about that one? You gonna get that one?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Did it get you? So apparently we got here right at 5 o'clock, and 5 o'clock is when they shut off the water. So we had about 5 minutes of playing. Oh, now she gets all wet. I've been trying to get her to go in the water this whole time, and now that the water's off, she gets in. Woo! Oh, hey, are you getting me wet?
Yeah.
Did you get me wet, you punk? Ah, you got me! Ready, getcha! Getcha! Hey! Ready, getcha! So it's 5 o'clock, the water's done.
Your oldest wants you to look at her skills.
Say what?
Your oldest wants you to look at her skills.
Oh, did she
She's been
climb?
calling for you, yeah.
Okay, so apparently Goose is doing something pretty amazing, so we have to go check it out. Goose, what are you doing? Okay guys, I keep seeing these statues here and thinking they're real kids, like posing, taking pictures or something, and it's throwing me off. What are you doing?
Climbed Mount Everest. How can I even get down?
That's pretty cool. How'd you get up there? All right, here I come. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take off my shoes for this one.
Why don't you come in on the inside just in case you split?
Ah! Alright guys, it has been a long, bright, and fun day here in Lakeland, both at the Children's Museum and just hanging out here on the park.
Yes.
So we are gonna go ahead and head home, get these kids to bed because we have another long day tomorrow. So until next
It'll be a fun day though.
Oh, and I don't know if we've told you guys about this, but these guys that we've been hanging out with right now, they actually started a YouTube channel recently as well. So if you guys want to check out more awesome RV videos from their family, I'll link them up right there and you can check that out. But until next time guys, remember, stay positive, get out there, life is an adventure, so make some memories.